Good morning, students. See, in the first chapter, we have learned about sublimation, isn't it? What is meant by sublimation? The process of conversion of solid state into gaseous state. The process of conversion of solid state into gaseous state directly without reaching its liquid state. That direct conversion is known as sublimation. So, what is sublimation? Once again, it is the process of conversion of solid state to gaseous state directly without reaching its liquid state. That process is called sublimation. Now, what are the substances which show sublimation? As you know, camphor, then what? Naphthalene balls and ammonium chloride. Okay. So, these are some of the examples for sublimation. Now, we are doing one activity related to sublimation. For that, we needed, this is china dish, a watch glass, a funnel, a glass rod, a piece of cotton, spatula, and here the substance that we are taking is ammonium chloride. It is a white color solid. Then for burning, for that heating reaction, for that purpose we need a wire gauze, it is a tripod stand and a spirit lamp. Okay. These are the things we needed. Now, we will do this activity. First, we have to take some ammonium chloride in a watch glass. Okay. Yes. Not in a watch glass, directly to the china dish. It is a white color solid. Okay. So, take some quantity of ammonium chloride in a china dish. Yes. Now, using this funnel, we have to cover this china dish. Using this funnel, we have to cover this china dish. Then, over the opening of this funnel, we need to keep a piece of cotton. The opening is closed using a cotton plug, that is to avoid the escaping of the gases. Okay. Yes. Now, over this tripod stand, we have to keep a wire gauze, then keep this china dish over this wire gauze. Now, this is a spirit lamp. We can use Bunsen burner also. Here we are using the spirit lamp. Okay. Burner need to keep under the china dish. Okay. Now, we are heating this substance. So, this heat of the substance will make ammonium chloride to turn into ammonium chloride vapors, and we have kept a funnel over it, and this cotton plug is also there. Now, in the surface of the funnel, these ammonium chloride vapor will stick. Okay. And after that, what will happen? This ammonium chloride vapor will convert it back to solid ammonium chloride. Now, we have taken solid ammonium chloride, and after some minute, 5 or 6 minutes, you will able to observe the vapors of ammonium chloride. So, wait till that. Okay. Okay, students, see after 5 minutes, what are the things that you can see here? Any change over the funnel and all? Yes, there is a white color vapor in the funnel. White color vapor you can see, and these vapors could not escape because we kept a cotton piece over the opening of the funnel, isn't it? So, these vapors will still remains in between the funnel, and if we stop heating, then what will happen? these vapor will get cooled and it touches the surface of the funnel, and by cooling this ammonium chloride vapor again converted back to solid form. Okay. So, we will keep this for cooling. Okay students, so after 5 minutes let us see we have to keep this for cooling, and now we will scratch. We will take this one, see, this is the thing. Now using a spatula we have to scratch the things because it gets solidified, it gets deposited over the funnel, of the surface of funnel, and we have to scratch it well. Now from the surface of the funnel we will get, after scratching we will get this deposited ammonium chloride. See, can you see students? This is the thing. Okay. See, we got the solid ammonium chloride again. So, this is sublimation and deposition. Sublimation is the process of conversion of solid to gas, and deposition is the conversion of gaseous state to solid state without reaching its liquid form. So, this activity is clear, I think. Thank you.